Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for chicken spadinis. Chicken spadini is a rolled cutlet, and it is stuffed on the inside. They're so easy to make, and you can make it with beef or veal. So let's get started. To make chicken spadinis, I'm using chicken tenders, or you can use chicken cutlets, and you'll need 1.5 pounds, a 1/4 inch thick. You'll need a 1/2 cup of parmesan cheese, a 1/2 cup of finely chopped onions, a 1/2 cup of raisins. You'll need some breadcrumbs, enough to coat the chicken, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and you'll need enough oil to coat the chicken. So to my breadcrumbs, I'm going to be adding in the salt, black pepper, and the garlic powder, and not too much salt because we're going to be adding in the cheese. And you're just going to mix this around. Now, spadinis, you can either fry them or you can bake them, and today I'm going to be baking them. So I have my oven preheating to 375, but everybody's oven is different. So between 350 and 375 for about 30 minutes or until it's golden brown. You'll also need a baking sheet, and I have this lined with foil. And what I did was I brushed some oil on top of the foil. You're going to start off with your chicken cutlet, and you're just going to dip it into the oil. Just let it drain. And then into the breadcrumbs. Just the same way you would coat the chicken cutlets. And lay it on the sheet. So once you have them breaded, you're going to take maybe a teaspoon of the onions, and some raisins. Now if you don't like raisins, you can leave that out. Not too many because we have to roll this. Okay, and you're just going to start rolling it. Now, you can either leave it like this or stick a toothpick in it. Or if you have a skewer, you can start putting them onto the skewer. So once you have them all rolled, it's time to put them into the oven. And again, everybody's oven is different. I have mine set to 375, and it's going to cook 30 minutes. So you really have to watch it. So between 350 and 375. And I'll show you what it looks like when they're all cooked. So I just took the chicken spadini out of the oven. I'm going to cut one open for you. And this is what it looks like with the raisins and the onions. They're so delicious. And here you have it, chicken spadinis. They're so delicious. Okay, guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.